Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to remove objects in Adobe Photoshop, a program used to edit pictures. Alright, there's a tool that you can use to remove objects in a picture called the patch tool, which is this one. Click on it, and then let's say if you want to remove this part, select the object and then drag it into the area that has the same color, which is white. It's gone now. Let's say if you want to remove these picture frames on this blue wall, so all you have to do is to zoom in for a little bit to select the area carefully and then click on patch tool again and then select the picture frame carefully, just like this, and then drag it into the area that has the same color as the wall, which is blue, just like this. It's gone now. Select the other picture frame just like this and then drag it into the same blue colored area just like this. They're gone now. Adjust the color of the wall so that it doesn't look as if it's edited. There you go. The objects are now gone, and that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed the video, you can click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao!